Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out SnapPad's Snapjack SJs for the scissor jacks for our RV. We ordered the 4-pack because we have 4 scissors jacks on our travel trailer. So let's open it up and see what we get. Comes with mounting hardware. And 4 replacement pads for the scissor jacks with the built-in rubber foot that'll help stabilize the trailer and keep it from slipping on all loose surfaces or rocks or your pads if you have them set up on pads. Got 4 of them. Little information pamphlet and the other 2 pads. Now let's go install them on the trailer. Now that we're at the camper, we're going to unlock the strong arm and then go ahead and lower the scissor. As you can see, the stock foot is not very big. This is got a lot more surface area along with the rubber to help it from slipping on any surface it mounts to. Let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, now that we got this bolt removed, we got to take off the bolt for the strong arm, and that is a 9/16. Also, there's a clip inside that we got to put back in when we put the other foot on. Now that I loosened that up enough so I can get my deep well on it, let's go ahead and finish taking that off. It's never ending. So now we just pry the foot off. As you can see, my tape didn't hold very well, but it's supposed to keep it so these stay in line. Let's grab the mounting hardware. Once you get those all lined up, go ahead and put the mounting hardware back in with the supplied bolt, and then get your strong arm back on connected as well. Snug them up at first, and then the instructions say we have to torque them to, I believe, 35 inch-pounds. So snug it up there, and then we'll tighten that up. Before we put this back on, actually, let's run the jack up and down and make sure it still functions and doesn't bind at all. Looks good to me. Now that we ran it up and down and made sure it functions fine, let's go ahead and put the cap back on to the strong arm and be done with this side and move to the next. Just finished up the install on the SnapPad Snapjack kit. It went pretty quick and easy. All you needed was a 17mm wrench and or ratchet, and then with my strong arms I needed a 9/16 wrench and a 9/16 socket. All that needed to be torqued down to 35 inch-pounds, and then just make sure you run the jack up and down so you know that it stays straight or doesn't bind anywhere. If it binds anywhere, just adjust at that time. I didn't have any binding after I got done with it, so I left it. Install went quick and easy. I'm happy with it as of now. Looks like it'll be a great product to help stabilize my camper, as those other feet were a lot smaller. I used to always put rubber pads between my jacks and the ground anyways, so this is all in one piece now. Please check the link in the bio for the snap pads that I ordered. Thanks for joining me on this install, and please join the adventure.